Wake up to delicious. How to make blueberry buttermilk coffee cake. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share delicious recipes and culinary tips. Today, we're excited to show you how to make a mouth-watering blueberry buttermilk coffee cake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any time of day. This coffee cake is incredibly moist, fluffy, and bursting with juicy blueberries that'll leave you craving for more. So, if you're ready to learn how to make this delicious treat, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of fresh blueberries. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch springform pan with butter and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the softened butter and mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Gently fold in the fresh blueberries. Pour the batter into the prepared springform pan. In a small mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, softened butter, and cinnamon to make the streusel topping. Sprinkle the streusel over the top of the cake batter. Bake the cake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool for at least 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it. A delicious and easy to make blueberry buttermilk coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a try. If you do, be sure to let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.